How to add memes to your video using CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up the CapCut video. Now tap on new project. Now select your base video. Now click on add. Now drag the slider. Now find the time where you want to add the meme. Now tap on overlay. Now click on add overlay. Now select the video of meme. Now make sure the video background is green screen for easy removal. Now select the clip. Now scroll to the right and tap on remove background. Now select chroma key. Now tap on color picker. Now select the green color. Now adjust the intensity until the background is removed. Now tap on OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.